Can you really reprogram your subconscious mind? Can you turn off the old negative voices in your head and replace them with new and positive beliefs? Try these 7 mind power techniques to reprogram your subconscious mind and create what you really want in your life. How does your subconscious mind work? Your subconscious mind is like a computer. It gathers and stores information. Then it uses that information to create and carry out programs. It's the automatic pilot program for your conscious mind. It takes care of the tiny details so your mind can focus on other things. These programs include information from other people too. In your lifetime, you've picked up programs from family, friends, school, peers, and society. Some of these programs create positive things in your life, some don't. To reprogram your subconscious mind, you have to access and change these programs. How does your subconscious mind speak to you? Your subconscious mind can speak to you in many different ways. Here are a few. Intuition. Your subconscious mind speaks to you through your intuition or gut feelings. Have you ever had a sense that something wasn't right, or felt a hunch that you should do one thing instead of another? That's your intuition speaking. It's a direct connection to your subconscious mind. Dreams. Your subconscious mind speaks to you through your dreams. It uses images and symbolism to communicate. These symbols are like your own personal shorthand. Keep a dream journal to learn more about what your subconscious mind may be trying to tell you. Pain and illness. Your subconscious mind can speak to you through pain and illness. The pain operates as an alarm to alert you to problems that you need to address. All of these have something in common. They use feelings, images, and symbolism to communicate. How to communicate with your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind understands images and emotions. It cannot tell the difference between something imagined and something that is happening. Use your imagination to communicate with your subconscious mind. 7 mind power techniques to reprogram your subconscious mind. Number 1. Visualization. Imagine what you want and make the image as vivid as possible. Feel yourself experiencing it. Feel how you would like to feel. Imagine it as if you were experiencing it right now. The more intense the feeling, the more your mind will resonate with it and try to create more of it. 2. Mindfulness. Become conscious of what you think and feel. Learn to direct your thoughts. Mindfulness is present moment thinking. It's not worrying about tomorrow or thinking about something that happened yesterday. It's being awake and aware right now in this moment. Children do this naturally. Most adults have to make a conscious effort to become mindful. Meditation helps to create mindfulness. If you find it difficult to slow down your thoughts or become conscious of them, meditation can help. Number 3. Direct your focus. Focus on what you want. Keep your focus on what you want. Don't dwell on things that you don't want. What you focus on, your subconscious mind will work to create. This is where it gets tricky. Your subconscious mind doesn't judge you. It doesn't decide whether something is right or wrong or good for you or not. It follows what you focus on and what you feel. It takes this as a command to create more of the same. If you are stressed and in a hurry, it takes that as a command to create more stress and more hurry. If you're happy and relaxed, it creates more happiness and relaxation. Number 4. Affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements of what you want to create. They're a way to train your subconscious by shifting your focus and changing your self-image. Always write your affirmations in the present tense. I eat healthy food and exercise daily. Say the affirmation and accept the statement as truth. Feel the feeling throughout your mind and body. Visualize it as if you have it. Repeat it until the behavior you desire is a regular part of your life. At this point, your subconscious mind will take over and run the program for you. Number 5. Rituals. Create rituals in your life that support the changes you desire. Here are some examples of rituals. Creating a vision board, saying daily affirmations, starting a new workout routine. By doing the ritual, You let your mind know that it's something important to you. Number 6, question what you think you know. Question your limiting beliefs. Look at the labels you put on yourself. Are you too old to go back to school? Are you too shy to date? Are these labels helping you create what you want, or are they holding you back? Investigate your beliefs. How many old labels do you have about that desire? Look for examples of others who prove those labels wrong. Lots of older people have gone back to school. Lots of shy people date and have wonderful, loving relationships. If someone else can do it, so can you. Number 7, act as if. Prove your limiting beliefs wrong. If you want to reprogram your subconscious quickly, do the impossible. For example, it's impossible to breathe underwater, but you can with an oxygen tank. One of the first hurdles when learning to scuba dive is convincing your mind that you can breathe underwater. Once you do it, it becomes second nature. With these 7 mind power techniques, you can reprogram your subconscious mind. When you learn to communicate what you want to your subconscious mind, you create a powerful ally. By directing your thoughts and feelings, you can direct your subconscious mind. When they both work together, you have the power to create more than you've ever imagined. The key to the law of attraction is learning to manage your mind. If you would like to learn how to activate your manifesting mind, just click the link below to download your free report today. Manage your mind and manifest your destiny.